you like an ice cream from Kidzlane ice cream shop?
Yes.
Okay, which one would you like?
I want this.
This one? Okay. Let's dip it in. Ooh!
Pink!
Yes.
Oh,
Let's dip it in some more. Would you like some sprinkles on your ice cream?
Yep.
Here you go. Delicious. Here's your ice cream. Also, would you like a milkshake to go along?
Yep.
Okay, here. Oh, I see. I haven't seen it yet. Whoa! Oh, this is cool. Okay, here is your milkshake. Would you also like a waffle bowl? Right here. And would you like some chocolate syrup on your waffle bowl?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Ooh. Look at this. Ooh. Beautiful. Here is your waffle cone. Your waffle cone and your waffle bowl. There you go. There is your serving. I want to make mine too. Okay, let's get my ice cream cone and dip it in. Ooh, oh my god. I would never expect it to be this dark of blue. It's very pigmented.
Like blueberries.
Oh, it's like blueberries. Okay, this is my ice cream
Like
cone.
this
I also want a waffle bowl. Here, beautiful, delicious. And I also want milkshake, because why not? Because I might get thirsty along the way. Some ice. Ooh, delicious.
It's also pink too.
It's like strawberries.
Yep.
So good. Anyways, guys, that's it. And we'll see you in the next video. And also, Kidzlane, thank you so much for sending this to us. And here's some ice cream. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.